Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zain bin Mairat, and today I will be presenting my proofreading and editing individual presentation. For this assignment, I analyzed and edited a document titled Online Mock Meeting Beauty Blossoms Durian Berhad, which was originally created for the OBM 250 Office Administration subject by Group MBA 1322D. The document includes several components such as notice and agenda, minutes of meeting, and company background materials. In this presentation, I will explain the content and context, language, and the types of errors that I corrected, followed by a summary of edited version. First, let's take a look at the content. The document presents a structured mock meeting for a fictional company called Beauty Blossom SME PhD, which focuses on sunscreen products. It includes a complete company profile, a logo description, vision and mission statements, a formal notice and agenda, and the detailed minutes of meeting. The meeting content follows proper administrative procedures, including attendance record, discussion of proposal and decision making. Overall, the content is clear, organized, and appropriate for OBM 250 project requirements. Next, the context. The document was created for the OBM 250 Office Administration course at UiTM. It stimulates a real corporate environment using Google Meet to conduct a virtual meeting. Each member took on a specific role such as the chairman, the secretary, the administrative assistant, and the committee members. The meeting discussed the planning of the new sunscreen product lines. This shows understanding of marketing and teamwork, and also the administrative operation. The document also uses polite and formal language which reflects the Malaysian business ethic. Next slide is the language and styles analysis. The language used in the document is mostly clear, formal, and professional. The sentences are short and direct, which is suitable for the administrative writing where accuracy is important. The use of bullet points and numbering in the agenda and minutes helps the document stay organized. There are also examples of formal meeting expressions such as notice is hereby given, which shows understanding of business communication. Titles and designations are also used consistently, adding to the professionalism of the document. Overall, the tone is appropriate for the workplace documentation. Next is the spelling errors. However, I identified several spelling errors that affect the professionalism in this document. The first error is project, which missing the letter P. The correct word is project. The incorrect spelling in titles can make the document look careless. Second spelling error is vision, VISSION. The correct spelling is VISION, one S. The misspelling a core statement like vision can make the company seems unreliable. The last but not least, hands out. The correct term is handouts. The wrong spelling creates confusion because hands out is not an English word. Even small spelling mistakes can reduce the credibility of business document. And then we have the sentence structure errors. There was few sentence structure errors in the notice section. One of them is the phrase notice here is hereby given. It is incorrect because it does not follow the normal sentence structure. The correct version is notice is hereby given. This is the standard and formal phrasing used in most official meeting notice. Fixing this will help the document sounds more professional and grammatically accurate. The next is the punctuation issues. The document uses the Oxford comma inconsistently. At some point, a comma is missing before "and" in a list. While different styles exist, the problem is inconsistency. The formal document, you must choose one punctuation style and use it throughout the entire document. Consistent punctuation improves the clarity and professionalism. The last but not least, the technical errors. There are also several technical problems. The first one is the capitalization. The term Google Meet was written in a lowercase. This is incorrect because Google Meet is a proper noun and it must always be capitalized. The second one is formatting. The document uses mixed formatting styles, different fonts, the inconsistent spacing, and the uneven headings. The issue is not the choice of format but the lack of consistency. Standardize the formatting can create a more polished and professional appearance of the documents. And that is all from me. To conclude, this assignment helped me understand how important details are in proofreading professional writing. Even small mistakes like spelling and punctuation can impact the credibility of the document. Throughout the editing progress, I learned how to improve clarity, to maintain the consistency, and ensure that the document meets the professional expectations. So that is all from me. Thank you for listening.